Hi there, welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV. If you're aged 55 to 64, now is the ideal time to fine-tune your retirement plans. Whether you've been preparing for years or are just beginning, there's still plenty you can do to secure a comfortable and stress-free retirement. From reviewing your savings and investments to assessing income sources and adjusting your budget, taking proactive steps now can make a big difference in your financial future. Let's get started. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more financial videos. Step 1. Assess your financial health. Assessing your financial health is an essential first step in the retirement planning process. Begin by thoroughly reviewing how much you've saved in retirement accounts, such as 401ks, IRAs, and any other long-term savings accounts. Additionally, take stock of other income sources like rental properties, pensions, or annuities that could provide ongoing financial support. Once you've evaluated these savings and income streams, it's important to review your monthly budget and consider how your expenses may shift once you're retired. For instance, some costs, like work-related expenses or mortgage payments, might decrease, while others, such as healthcare or travel, could increase. Gaining a clear understanding of your financial position now will provide a solid foundation for making informed decisions about your retirement. This proactive approach helps ensure a secure, comfortable, and fulfilling retirement down the line. Step 2. Maximize retirement contributions. Maximizing retirement contributions is key to securing your financial future. If you're 50 or older, take advantage of catch-up contributions to boost your savings. In 2025, you can contribute an extra $7,500 to your 401k and $1,000 to your IRA annually. These additional contributions can significantly increase your retirement funds over time. If your employer offers matching contributions, ensure you're contributing enough to receive the full match. It's free money that accelerates your savings growth. Prioritizing contributions now will help you build a more comfortable and secure retirement. Step 3. Pay down debt. Paying down debt is a critical and highly effective step in preparing for a successful retirement. One of the first priorities should be tackling high-interest debt, such as credit cards, which can quickly drain your financial resources and hinder your ability to save for the future. Reducing these debts as soon as possible will have an immediate positive impact on your finances. In addition to high-interest debt, focus on gradually paying down other obligations like personal loans, auto loans, and any other outstanding liabilities that might limit your financial flexibility. If you have a mortgage, it's important to explore strategies that allow you to pay it off sooner, depending on your retirement timeline and financial capacity. This could include making extra payments or refinancing to a lower interest rate. By minimizing debt, you not only improve your cash flow, but also reduce the financial stress that can weigh you down in your later years. This gives you more peace of mind, enabling you to focus on saving and investing for the future, while also ensuring that you can enjoy a secure, comfortable retirement without the burden of debt hanging over you. Step 4. Plan your Social Security strategy. Planning your Social Security strategy is essential for maximizing your retirement income. Decide the optimal age to begin benefits based on your financial needs and goals. While you can start as early as age 62, delaying benefits until full retirement age, or even until age 70, can significantly increase your monthly payouts. Consider factors like your savings, expected lifespan, and other income sources when making this decision. A thoughtful Social Security plan ensures you make the most of your benefits and enhances your financial security in retirement. Step 5. Review healthcare options. Reviewing healthcare options is a critical part of retirement planning. As you approach retirement, explore your coverage options, including Medicare, employer-sponsored retiree plans, or private insurance. Make sure to understand Medicare's different parts and enroll on time to avoid penalties. Consider adding supplemental insurance or long-term care coverage to manage unexpected medical expenses. Assess your healthcare needs and costs carefully to ensure you're financially prepared for both routine care and potential medical emergencies, giving you peace of mind during your retirement years. Step 6. Reevaluate your investment strategy. Reevaluating your investment strategy becomes increasingly important as you approach retirement to ensure your portfolio is properly aligned with your evolving financial goals and risk tolerance. With retirement on the horizon, it's essential to gradually shift towards a more conservative allocation that balances the need for growth with the need to preserve the wealth you've accumulated. This typically involves increasing investments in more stable, less volatile assets such as bonds, while still maintaining some exposure to equities for potential long-term growth. A well-diversified portfolio is key to reducing market risk, so consider expanding your investments to include a mix of asset classes such as real estate, commodities, or international markets. Additionally, you may want to explore income-generating investments like dividend-paying stocks or annuities that provide a steady stream of income in retirement. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio is essential, especially in response to changing market conditions and evolving retirement needs. This ensures that your investments continue to support a secure, sustainable financial future, allowing you to enjoy a comfortable retirement without the stress of market fluctuations. By staying proactive and adjusting your strategy over time, you can optimize your retirement funds and build a strong foundation for your later years. Step 7. Create a withdrawal plan. Creating a withdrawal plan is vital to managing your retirement savings effectively. Start by determining how much income you'll need annually to cover your expenses and ensure it aligns with your savings and investments. Strategically withdraw from taxable accounts first to let tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks grow longer. Consider the 4% rule as a guideline, withdrawing no more than 4% of your savings annually to help ensure your funds last. Factor in required minimum distributions, RMDs, starting at age 73, and adjust for inflation and unexpected expenses to maintain financial stability throughout retirement. Retirement planning may seem overwhelming at first, but breaking it into manageable steps makes it much easier to navigate. By assessing your financial health, maximizing savings, managing debt, and planning strategically for income and expenses, you can set yourself up for a secure and enjoyable retirement. Taking the time to plan now ensures peace of mind and the freedom to focus on what matters most in your retirement years. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on achieving financial wellness. Also, check out all the related resources and download the helpful links in the description below. See you in the next video.